Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss about drawing solids on a flat surface. Play this game. You and your friends sit back to back. One of you reads out a net to make a 3D shape, while the other attempts to copy it and sketch or build the described 3D object. Drawing solids on a flat surface. Your drawing surface is paper, which is flat. When you draw a solid shape, the images are somewhat distorted to make them appear three-dimensional. It is a visual illusion. You will find here two techniques to help you. One is oblique sketches. Here is a picture of a cube 15.11. It gives a clear idea of how the cube looks like when seen from the front. You do not see certain faces. In the drawn picture, the lengths are not equal as they should be in a cube. Still, you are able to recognize it as a cube. Such a sketch of a solid is called an oblique sketch. How can you draw such sketches? Let us attempt to learn the technique. You need a squared lines or dots paper. Initially, practicing or to draw on these sheets will later make it easy to sketch them on a plain sheet without the aid of squared lines or dots. Let us attempt to draw an oblique sketch of a 3x3x3 each of edge 3 units cube like this, right? Draw the front face, draw the opposite faces. Size of the face have to be same, but the sketch is somewhat offset from step 1. This one, and here we have drawn, join the corresponding corners and redraw using dotted lines for hidden edges. It is a convention. The sketch is ready now. Figure 15.2, this one. In the oblique sketch above, did you note the following? The sizes of the front faces and its opposite faces are same, and the edges which are all equal in a cube appear so in the sketch, though the actual measures of edges are not taken so. You could now try to make an oblique sketch of a cuboid. Remember, the faces in these cases are rectangles. You can draw sketches in which measurements also agree with those of a given solid. To do this, we need what is known as isometric sheet. Let us try to make a cuboid with dimensions 4 cm, 3 cm and 3 cm height on given isometric sheet. Now you'll find isometric sheet. Here you see these are the isometric sheets. Isometric, you can make sketches with isometric sheet. Here see, have you seen an isometric dot sheet? This is the isometric dot sheet. A sample is given at the end of the book. Such a sheet divides the paper into small equilateral triangles made up of dots or lines. To draw sketches in which measurements also agree with those of the solid, we can use isometric dot sheets given on inside the back cover, the third cover page. Let us attempt to draw an isometric sketch of a cuboid of dimension 4 x 3 x 3, which means the edges forming length, breadth and height are 4, 3 and 3 units respectively, like this, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, and the edges are 1, 2, 3, right? Now you see, draw a rectangle to show the front face. Draw 4 parallel line segments of length 3 starting from the 4 corners of the rectangle. That is from here 1 to 3, 1 to 3, 1 to 3 and 1 to 3, right? And here you see, connect the matching corners with appropriate line segments. This is an isometric sketch of a cuboid. Note that the measurements are of exact size in an isometric sketch. This is not so in case of an oblique sketch. Example 1. Here is an oblique sketch of a cuboid. Here you see, this is a cuboid. Draw an isometric sketch that matches this drawing, right? Here is the solution. Note how the measurements are taken care of, right? 3 units means you have to take 3 units. 1, 2, 3. Here also 3 units, right? There are 6 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? This is 6 unit. This is 3 units, right? This is oblique sketch and these are isometric sketches. How many units have we taken along? Length, breadth and height. Do they match with the units mentioned in the oblique sketch? Yeah. Yes, it can be. these isometric sketches, you can make the various solid shapes. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.